In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a multi-step workflow on make.com. We'll build a simple automation that sends an email with Gmail and then creates a new sheet in Google Sheets all inside one scenario. I'll keep it clear and practical so you can follow along without any guesswork. Start by heading to make.com and sign into your account. From the dashboard, click Create a Scenario. This opens the visual canvas where you'll stitch your workflow together. On the canvas, click the plus icon to add your first module. In the search bar that appears, type Gmail and select it. From the list of available actions, choose Send an Email. This is the module that will handle your outgoing message. When prompted, click Create a Connection and then Save to connect your Gmail account. You'll be asked to grant permission, so Make can send emails on your behalf. Approve the request, and once the connection is confirmed, you'll see the module fields. Fill in the recipient address, subject, and body. You can keep it simple with plain text or use basic formatting if you prefer. If you see optional fields like CC, BCC, or attachments, leave them empty for now unless you need them. A quick tip: writing a clear subject and a concise message helps you verify the automation later. Next, click Add another module to extend the workflow. Search for Google Sheets and select it. From the actions, choose Add a Sheet. This module will create a new worksheet tab inside an existing spreadsheet. If you haven't connected Google Sheets before, click Create a Connection and then Save and approve the permissions. After the connection is ready, select the spreadsheet you want to use from the drop-down. Give the new sheet a name that makes sense for your process, like Automation Log or Today's Date. If you're unsure where the spreadsheet is, open it in another tab and confirm its title so you pick the right one here. With both modules configured, the Gmail Send and the Google Sheets Add a Sheet, you're ready to test. Click Run to execute the scenario. Watch the indicators on each module. Successful runs will show green check marks and basic output details. You can confirm the results by checking your sent mailbox for the email and opening your chosen spreadsheet to see the newly created sheet. That's it. You've just built a clean, multi-step workflow on make.com that sends an email and creates a new sheet all in one run. Save your scenario and you can expand it later with more modules as your process grows.